So how we are going to use this instance machine? To use the massive compute, we need to use ThinLinc application. The link is here. When you click it, it will direct you to download options. I am going to download and use Windows version. After download, just click it, open it, and just click next and next and next to install. It will automatically install everything. Then just run the Thin client and you will get to this interface. So this is the connection interface, and what is important here is click advanced and also options. Thin client allows you to synchronize your folders with the virtual machine. This is how you can transfer files from your computer to the virtual machine that we are going to use. So there are options: windowed, full screen, there are local devices, whichever you want to connect, and you need to set your folder which will be synchronized with your Thin client and your virtual machine, with your computer and with your virtual machine. So click these details, make sure that you have ticked the drives checkbox, and you need to add a path of your folder. You see I have added this folder. Let me edit again. So I click add and I need to select the folder from here. It will be inside R drive, it will be inside massive compute. Let's see here, and this will be my folder. So I click OK and it says read only. If you want your virtual machine to be only read from your folder, not able to write, let it stay as read only. But if you want to download files from the virtual machine automatically into your folder, then you need to make it read and write. I am going to make that way, and there are some optimizations if you wish. There are some security options. I am just leaving everything default, only drives are set. Okay, and there is an existing session. This means that it will restart your virtual machine, so be careful with that. Moreover, there is no turn off this virtual machine, there is only terminate. So you need to back up all the files that you need before you terminate your virtual machine. This is the only downside compared to Rampot, but we are going to have a desktop environment and very cheap, very powerful GPU here. So how we are going to connect? Copy your login IP from here, paste it into the server. You see username is Ubuntu automatically set for us. Then copy the password. You don't need to show it. Paste password here. And when you set an existing session, it will restart the virtual machine. Moreover, if you get problems with the folder synchronization, you should use an existing session and it will allow you to synchronize folders. But be careful, this will close all of the running applications. So if you are training at that moment, they will be all terminated. So be careful with that. Since we are just starting the virtual machine, I will just select this option, click connect. Then you will get this message, click connect. Then you will get to this screen. In this screen, it may freeze or may look like frozen. So click start to just skip that part and you will get to this screen. And in a moment, we are going to get, yes, this is our virtual machine. You see, it is like a desktop computer. It has Ubuntu image. So this is Ubuntu desktop operating system. And we have automatically installed Kohya, Automatic 1111 Web UI, and also One Trainer here. So you can directly start using them. For example, if I start One Trainer, it will start the One Trainer automatically for me because they are all added into this virtual machine. We have worked with massive compute to make it super easy to use for you.